So today I'm going to do another how-to video on recording with your Quest 2 or your Meta Quest, whatever you want to call it. Now normally with the Quest, what happens, you record something and when you play it back, it's in a shitty old 4.3 ratio, and we don't want that because it's got these big borders. Look, I'll show you. Just scroll down a bit. Look, we don't want that. That's crap. We want something like this, 16.9. And at first, when they first released it, you couldn't have that. But you can now. And you don't need a PC to change this. I'll show you how you do it. Don't know what I'm messing about up there for. First of all, you need to go to Quick Settings. And then go to this settings here. And click on that one. And then click on Camera, like I've already done. And then you scroll down to aspect ratio. You've also got all these settings you can mess around with, like I have. Go to aspect ratio and change it from square, which is shite, to landscape, which is brilliant. And now, when you go to recordings and you record a very interesting video like this one, you'll get it in widescreen and not a shitty square one with big black borders down the side. Anyway, I must thank, I don't know what his name is because there wasn't a name on the YouTube thing. It's just I think it's some numbers and some letters. Is it? I don't know. I can't remember. Well, if it was a name, I couldn't pronounce it. But some guy said to me on YouTube, how do you change the full screen? And this is how you do it. Thought that would be a good idea for a video. And that's why I've made this. So there we go. I'm going now because I'm hungry and I want a drink. I think I'm going to have some wine. Anyway, bye. I'm going to turn that off now. Toodle pip.